Well, here we go. D-Lam City. Creativity. We got the magician right here.
Look at this. Race ramps coming through with this huge block of wood. Time to change the fatty. Drive all the way around and then set up. Did everybody hear that? We're gonna grid on track.
Let them say it.
To film an intro and you're already turning laps.
See me smack the wall.
Dude, that was sick. Hold on, you're gonna hit your cart. Oh,
It's just
look at the bing, 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 bing.
that quick. KBD, dog. Shout out. High-fiving, dog. Welcome, everybody. We're out here at Beastcoast Drift. May the 4th be with you. And I'm out here with my son and Casey Murphy behind the camera to do some fun runs today. We're here to have some fun, you know, see where the day takes us. Win or lose, it's gonna be a great time.
You've already done some fun laps. You were the first one to do fun laps out there.
Yeah, I got one of the first laps on track. A lot of other people didn't want to run it, but I'm like, dude, I'm here to party. Let's go.
Let's go.
I just had no tire.
Nah.
I literally just like...
It was, you were right on him.
Yeah, I was right on him and then I tried and I was like,
nothing.
I have no tire.
me a little just update of what's happening right now.
Yo, I'm here with the homies. This is Beastcoast Drift. You know, whether we're competing
Well, anyway, before...
You're never gonna get audio.
I know, just say it right now, I can hear you.
We're here at Beastcoast Drift. We're here to compete. I'm going up against Sasha Prospero. It's gonna be epic.
Banana boy, banana boy.
Yeah, baby! And my proximity was good. It wasn't like perfect, but it was still good. Yeah, I'm
Sick.
stoked. Hell yeah. As I'm like regurgitating my pizza from earlier.
I think Ryan lost, but I'm not 100% sure.
It's like the whole point is to battle with my homies.
From that display, I assume you lost.
Yeah. He was on my door more than me. I could tell, like in the tandem. And then like I tried to stay on him, but like I should have changed tires. Like I could tell my tires weren't as gripped up on that next lap.
Yeah, I saw you were a little wide.
Let's go! I came here to drive with you.
Yes, bro, I'm so happy.
How are you? Fresh out of the fucking island. Fellows going to the top 4, baby. Yeah, let's go. Right. Sorry, better take this shit home, fellow. Hey, I'm stoked.
So,
It's all about the homies.
yep.
We'll just find the 2 best ones and throw them in.
Technically, they would still give it to the other driver because he's 0, you know. So it's like there's nothing to fix other than get it in the trailer. Fuck. I thought he was gonna win for the night, dude. He was on fire.
Hey, what happened to the guy with the RX-7?
That's me. Oh, the black one. He got beat first battle against him. Yeah, I'm in the blue RX-7.
Okay.
Yeah. I just went against him one more time. Yeah, exactly.
Grateful to be driving in the trailer. I'm hot, I'm sweaty, all day on the same accelerated PHI. I don't understand what kind of tomfoolery witchcraft this is. Probably 20 laps. You heard it here first. VQ plus PHI equals success. Great success.